This is a tutorial for the invisible join that is used in my pattern for the Rainier Beanie. So we're going to start by slip stitching into the first stitch of the round as you would, and I like to tighten it up a little bit, pull it through, and now here's the trick. You're going to take your hook out of the loop and insert your hook from behind the stitch you just went through, and then you will put that loop back on your hook. And you will pull your loop through to the other side, putting your chain behind the half double crochets. And that is what helps it to line up without a chain going over the top. It makes it virtually invisible. And now we yarn over, and we're going to continue in the pattern. It says to half double crochet in the third loop of the stitch around into each stitch. So you have the front loop and the back loop, and then the back behind the back loop is the third loop. You insert your hook and half double crochet into the third loop. And we're just going to continue on around. Okay, so we're coming to the end of our round. We're going to do it one more time with the invisible join. So we slip stitch and under the front and back loop of the first half double crochet as we would. And then we take our hook out of the loop and insert the hook from behind the first stitch that we just slip stitched into, and pull that loop back through the stitch to the back. And then we can switch it around so it won't be twisted, and then chain one and continue the pattern.